Good morning class. Today we are going to start the lesson number 2, parallel lines. So before learning any theorems, we will just understand what is a parallel lines. So the lines write the same definition. This whole things you have to copy it in your notebook. So I read the definitions. The lines which are coplanar and do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. मतलब एक ही साथ रहते हैं बट एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करते, उनको पैरेलल लाइंस बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सी हियर, टू लाइंस आर देयर, पी एंड क्यू, स्मॉल लेटर्स पी एंड क्यू, दे आर द पैरेलल लाइंस. बट चाहे जितना इनको इंक्रीज करो, दे कैन नॉट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. सेकेंड एग्जांपल इज लाइन एल एंड एम. So there are, I give the three examples. All are the examples of the parallel lines. उनको चाहे जितना भी बड़ा करो कभी कट नहीं करेंगे. And the second one is intersecting lines. Intersecting, जैसे कि नाम ही intersecting है, you all know the lines which are cut together. See here in these examples, line A and B, both lines are intersect at one point, so they are the intersecting lines. One more is there, transversal. Transversal, for example this one, line L and M, they are parallel lines, they cannot intersect each other. And the line P, it intersect the line L as well as M, so that's why line P is known as the transversal lines. Now we will read the properties of parallel lines. See, properties of parallel lines. When two lines intersect, when two lines intersect, the pair of opposite angle formed are congruent. Opposite angle, you know, for example, see in this one, two lines are intersecting. Opposite angle means this angle and this angle, both are congruent, they are having equal measures. Second thing, the angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Linear pair angle, you know, like just as consider in this example, one angle, two angle, these are the linear pair angles, they are supplementary. Supplementary means they are, the sum of their angle is 180 degree. Now third one is, when one pair of corresponding angle is congruent, then all the pair of corresponding angles are congruent. Congruent means they are having equal measurement. Same as the alternate angle. If one alternate angle is congruent, then all the pair of alternate angle is congruent. And the last one is a pair of a interior angle on a side of a transversal are supplementary, means their sum is also 180 degree. See, for example, here I drawn a line L and M, parallel lines. Line N is a transversal lines. There are some angles are formed, angle A, angle B, C, D, angle E, angle F, angle G and angle H. So on the basis of this, we will write the pair of a corresponding angles. If a transversal line intersect two parallel lines, there are four pair of corresponding angles. Like here, first pair is, let me write and show you. See, angle A and angle E. See from the diagram, angle A and angle E is corresponding angles. Second one D and H. Third one C and G. And the next one B and F. These four are the corresponding angles. Now we will write a pair of interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Same side means this is the transversal, either this side or this side. So here two pairs are formed. One is angle B and E, interior, जो अंदर की तरफ रहेगा, interior means अंदर. So angle B and E, this is the first pair. So we write here angle B and angle E. Second pair is angle C and angle H. According to the fifth property, see, interior angle is supplementary. So the sum, like angle B plus angle E, supplementary means 180 degree. When you add, you got 180 degree. Now we write the pair of alternate interior and exterior इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर. इंटीरियर मीन्स अंदर वाला एंड एक्सटीरियर मीन्स बाहर वाला. सी दैट, let me write the pair of the interior and exterior angle. See here, pair of interior, angle C and angle E, angle B and angle H. Exterior, A and G, A and G, and D and F. Alternate means Z. जो angle Z बनाता है, these are the alternate angles. So today you write all these things, and in the next lecture we will start from the theorem of this lesson.